Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this equation. So we have x squared plus in bracket 3x over x minus 3 all raised to power 2 equals 16. And to solve for all the possible values of x. So to solve this solution, we have x squared plus in bracket 3x over x minus 3 all raised to power 2 and this equals 16. So x squared plus then applying this rule of indices that if you have in brackets a over b all raised to power n, this equals a raised to power n over b raised to power n. Applying this rule right here, what we then have is this, that we have 3x all raised to power 2 divided by in bracket x minus 3 all raised to power 2 and this equals 16. So with this, we have x raised to power 2 plus 3x all squared equals 9x raised to power 2 all over x minus 3 all squared in bracket x minus 3 all raised to power 2 and this equals 16. X squared can be written as over 1 and then we look for the LCM of 1 and x minus 3 all squared, which is simply in bracket x minus 3 all raised to power 2. So when we divide this, we have this. So this one will multiply x squared. We have x squared into bracket x minus 3 all raised to power 2. Then plus x minus 3 all squared, we divide x minus 3 all squared. The answer equals to 1. 1 times 9x squared equals 9x squared. And this is equal to 16. Next, making use of this rule, if you have in brackets a minus b all raised to power 2, this equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Applying this rule right here, this then becomes, we have x squared into bracket x squared minus 6x, then plus 9, then plus we have 9x squared all divided by in bracket x minus 3 all raised to power 2 and this equals 16. So from here, x squared will multiply and open the bracket. We have x squared times x squared, x raised to power 4. Then x squared times minus 6x minus 6x cubed. Then plus x squared times 9, 9x squared plus 9x squared all divided by in bracket x minus 3 all raised to power 2 and this equals 16. So with this, we have x raised to power 4, okay, then minus 6x raised to power 3, 9x squared plus 9x squared equals to plus 18x squared, then all divided by in bracket x minus 3 all raised to power 2 and this equals 16. Next, this expression can be written as x raised to power 4, then factorize out minus 6x squared from this. We are then left with in bracket x minus 3, then divided by in bracket x minus 3 all raised to power 2 and this equals 16. So if we split this fraction, we have x raised to power 4 over in bracket x minus 3 all squared, then minus 6x squared in bracket x minus 3, then divided by in bracket x minus 3 all raised to power 2 and this equals 16. So from here we have that x raised to power 4 then divided by in bracket x minus 3 all raised to power 2 then minus this, we cancel this, we have minus 6x squared divided by in bracket x minus 3 and this equals 16. This equation can be expressed as in bracket x squared over x minus 3 all raised to power 2 then minus 6 into bracket x squared over x minus 3 and this equals 16. Next, we are then going to say that let x squared then divided by x minus 3 to equal m, such that this equation then becomes, we have m squared minus 6m and this equals 16. Move 16 over to the left hand side, we have m squared minus 6m minus 16 equals to 0. This equation is factorizable, so we have m squared, then minus 6m can be written as minus 8m plus 2m, minus 16, and this equals 0. Next, factorize out m from this. We have m into bracket m minus 8. Then factorize out plus 2 from this. We have plus 2 into bracket m minus 8, and all of this equals 0. So this is equal to 0. Now we have a common factor m minus 8, m minus 8. Pick one in bracket m minus 8. Then we have in brackets m plus 2, and this equals 0. So m minus 8 equals 0, or we have m plus 2 equals 0. From this, the value of m is equal to plus 8. This is the first value of m. And while for this equation, the value of m is equal to minus 2. This is the second solution of m. So with this, the next thing is to solve for the value of x. So then recall that from here, we said let x squared over x minus 3 equals to m. So writing this down, that we have, recall that x squared over x minus 3 is equal to m. Now, for m1 equals to 8, this then become m1 equals to 8. We have the equation as x squared over x minus 3, and this equals to 8. Next, if we multiply this equation by x minus 3, this then gives us, we have x squared equals to 8 into bracket x minus 3. So x squared is equal to 8x minus 24. Move all of this over to the left hand side. We have x squared minus 8x, then plus 24, and this equals 0. Next, we're going to solve this equation making use of the quadratic formula. So we have x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a is equal to the coefficient of x squared, 1. The value of b is the coefficient of x, minus 8. The value of c is the constant, plus 24. So input these values into the given formula. We then have the solution of x, that x equals minus b is minus 8, then plus or minus square root b is minus 8 all squared, minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 24 divided by 2 times a is 1. So s is equal to plus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 all squared is equal to 64. Then minus 4 times 1 times 24 equals minus 96 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So x is then equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 96 equals minus 32 and divided by 2. So with this, we have the value of x, that x is then equal to 8 plus or minus, this can be written as the square root of 16 times 2 times in bracket minus 1 divided by 2. So x is then equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 2. Then square root of minus 1 is equal to I, and this is divided by 2. So x is equal to, now 2 we divide 8, we have 4. 2 we also divide 4, we have 2. So x equals to 4 plus or minus 2 times square root of 2i. And with this, we have the first solution of x to equal 4 plus 2 times square root of 2i, and the second solution of x to equal 4 minus 2 times square root of 2i. Okay, so with this, we have gotten the first two solutions of x. For the next one, when m equals to minus 2, also input the value of m as minus 2 into this given equation. So we have the equation x squared over x minus 3 equals to n. So we have this, that x squared over x minus 3 equals m, and m is minus 2 for m2, okay, is equal to minus 2. So from here, multiply this equation by x minus 3. This then gives us, this equals to x squared is equal to minus 2 into bracket x minus 3. Okay, and from here, x squared is equal to minus 2x, then plus 6. Move all of this over to the left hand side. So x squared plus 2x then minus 6 equals to 0. So this equation will be solved making use of the quadratic formula. So right here, we have the equation that we have x squared plus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. And the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a equals the coefficient of x squared, 1. The value of b is the coefficient of x plus 2. The value of c is the constant minus 6. And put these values into the given formula. We have the solution of x to equal minus b is 2 plus or minus b squared, b is 2. So 2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is minus 6. And this is then divided by 2 times a is 1. So x is equal to, we have minus 2. So minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1 times minus 6 equals to plus 24 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. X is then equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 24 is 28 all over 2. So x is then equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 28 can be written as 4 times 7 divided by 2. So x is then equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 7, and this is divided by 2. So with this, 2 here we divide 1, 2 we divide 2, we also have 1. So the value of x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7. And with this, we have the third solution of x, that x3 is equal to minus 1 plus root 7, and x4 is equal to minus 1 minus root 7. And meanwhile, the first and second solution of x is this. So these are the four solutions of the given question. So right here we have x1, x2, and also we also have x3 and x4, x3, x4. With this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do also like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.